One of the greatest Indian English writers, Raja Rao, once wrote that one has to convey in a language that is not one's own, the spirit that is one's own. In his foreword to Kantapura, Raja Rao emphasized the fact that Indian storytelling needs to retain its essence even when it's written in English. This idea radically transformed Indian English literature, proving that English wasn't just a colonial language, that it could actually retell the unique stories, rhythms, traditions, cultures of India authentically. But Raja Rao wasn't alone. He, along with Mulkraj Anand and R.K. Narayan, formed a pioneering Indian English literature trio that shaped modern Indian fiction. Mulkraj Anand explored social realism, exposing caste oppression and poverty, whereas R.K. Narayan captured the charm of small-town India, making everyday life profound. As a result of their contributions to Indian English literature before and after independence, they frequently appear in UGC NET English exam, sometimes in the form of the chronology of their works and sometimes related to the content of their works. Want to dive deeper into their frequently asked works and understand how you can effectively answer them in your UGC NET English exam? Then you can watch my full-length video on this most important Indian English literature trio, wherein I have broken down their most important and frequently asked works along with the PYQs and also decoded some of the most effective exam strategies which will help you in tackling questions related to these works and authors in UGC NET English exam. Watch now and level up your preparation, and while you're here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such quick key codes explained series.